Okay, so, so the whole place needs insulation. I wonder, we probably need better windows too, right? If I'm going to try and insulate it?
Yeah, yeah, because I don't know if these are double panes or not. No, they look like they're single pane windows.
Yeah. I mean, if I'm going to spend the money to insulate it, I might as well get better. Okay. I just got to make a budget. So.
Well, Mike said he'd help you.
That's with the labor. Okay. So we've got 3 kennels. Oh, this goes to a door?
Yes.
Okay.
There's 11 kennels total, I think.
And these are, is that for air circulation?
It's an air vent, yeah.
Oh, okay. And do those go on to move the air?
Actually, I think when the wind kicks on, they rotate. Mike might have to look at that.
There's 4, 5, 6, 7. I like that there's a lot of natural light. Okay, so here's another door. These are the smaller kennels. Okay, 8, 9.
I think this gate belongs to them. This could also be used.
12. Yeah, you're right.
Going in now.
And this is like a little room.
This area or a grooming area.
Little room that we could turn into. You're right, for grooming or storing our dog food or.
Yeah, or running.